two perfect options for healthcare environment installations. DURA WOOD and DURA CRETE are very dense vinyls that are attached to 5 millimeters of recycled rubber. If you heat weld the seams, which is highly recommended, they become impervious to fluids. It could be coved up the walls as well, so it can run up the wall and bend. DURA WOOD and DURA CRETE have a 1280 PSI rating. That means 1,280 pounds of pressure per square inch before you would see any indentation. And hospital beds, which are extremely heavy, will not indent the products. These products are preferred over the standard VCT. If you should happen to slip and fall, the fall won't be as severe. DURA WOOD and DURA CRETE are sound dampening, comfortable for the patient as well as the employees that are on their feet an awful lot.